How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can minimize purge waste in Bambu Lab. So mainly the thing that we have to focus on is the adjustment of the flushing volumes, which has the most impactful. Basically, on the preparation section, which is going to be this one, you want to navigate through your project filament, and then we have the purging volumes right here. Now, for this one, basically you want to decrease the multiplier from 1.0 down to 0.6 or 0.6. Click on the recalculate to apply the changes on the entire table. So you could just apply the setting right here. Let's select 0.6 and then it will show up after clicking on recalculate. Now, the risk on doing this is basically if you're setting this too low, between or below 0.4, it can cause ghosting or color bleeding, especially when switching from dark colors like black to light colors like white. And basically on the other section, the other thing that we have to enable is both of this option, which is going to be the purge into objects infill, so we don't have much waste at all, and the purge into the object support. So after applying those settings, basically you have reduced the purge waste in Bambu Lab. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.